अस्सलाम वालेकुम, होप यू गाइस आर डूइंग गुड। इस वीडियो में हम लोग बात करेंगे कि ओके वेरी नाइस, आई डिडंट न्यू दैट थिंग एग्जिस्ट। इस वीडियो में हम लोग बात करेंगे कि आप एनालिटिक्स को किस तरह अच्छी तरीके से पढ़ सकते हैं यूजिंग एक्सप्लोर रिपोर्टिंग। ठीक है, एक्सप्लोर रिपोर्टिंग या एक्सप्लोरेशन, यूजिंग एक्सप्लोरेशन। ठीक है, तो इसमें हम लोग देखेंगे कि आपके स्टोर का कन्वर्जन रेट क्या है, जिससे शॉर्टकट में CVR भी मैं कभी कभी कहूँगा इस वीडियो में। जब CVR आपको पता लग जाएगा जब आपको CVR पता लग जाएगा तो उसके बाद हम लोग देखेंगे कि आपके फ़नल्स कैसे हैं। मतलब कोई सेशंस आता है, वो फिर आइटम व्यू करता है, फिर एड टू कार्ट करता है, फिर बिगिन चेकआउट करता है और फिर परचेज करता है। तो हाउ द स्टेप्स लुक्स रियली गुड। अच्छा, फिर उसके बाद हम लोग देखेंगे कि लेट्स सपोज समबडी केम्स टू द प्रोडक्ट होम पेज। ठीक है, अगर आपका होम पेज में ज़्यादा सेशंस हो रहे हैं, फिर आप देखना चाहते हैं कि होम पेज के बाद वो शख्स जो है प्रोडक्ट पेज, कलेक्शन पेज पे गया, प्रोडक्ट पेज पे गया, प्रोडक्ट पेज के बाद एड टू कार्ट किया, फिर बिगिन चेकआउट किया, फिर परचेज किया, हाउ दैट लुक्स। उसके बाद हम लोग देखेंगे कि आपकी डिवाइस एनालिसिस क्या है। उसके बाद हम देखेंगे कि पेज एनालिसिस क्या है। उसके बाद हम लोग देखेंगे कि कौन सी ऐसी स्क्रीन साइज़ है जो यूज़ हो रही है। ठीक है, फिर उसके बाद हम लोग देखेंगे, मतलब इतना देखने के बाद तो मेरे ख्याल से आपको भी बोर होना चाहिए कि इतना बस छोड़ दो, बस इतना काफ़ी था। विदाउट वेस्टिंग टाइम, लेट्स जस्ट जंप राइट इनटू इट। पहले हम इसको नाम दे देंगे CRO रिपोर्ट। ओके, अच्छा, ये चीज़ हो गई। फिर इसके बाद हम लोग सेगमेंट्स बनाएंगे यूज़र सेगमेंट्स के लिए, जिसमें हमारे पास न्यू और रिटर्निंग कस्टमर्स। ठीक है, इसको न्यू यूज़र्स। अच्छा, इसमें फ़िल्टर्स हम लोग ऐड करेंगे एग्जैक्टली मैचेस ओनली न्यू कस्टमर। ठीक है, एग्जैक्टली मैचेस न्यू, तो इसमें हम लोग ऊपर लगाएंगे न्यू कस्टमर्स। सेव कर देंगे, ऑब्वियसली वी आर नॉट इडियट्स। मेरे ख्याल से नॉट, लेट्स जस्ट नेम इट new users. Okay, I think that will really be good. Everyone is not customers. Yeah, some are bitches. Astaghfirullah, no, some are good. Okay, so returning, returning, yes, returning. Again, I forgot to put is that exactly matches this thing, which will be returning. Okay, so let's suppose that happens. So हम लोग इसको नाम दे देंगे returning, returning customers. Okay, but just say that thing. How can I be this idiot? Returning users. Okay, अब डायमेंशंस के बारे में बात करते हैं। तो डायमेंशंस में हमारे पास डिवाइस कैटेगरी विच इज़ इम्पॉर्टेंट, फिर उसके बाद लैंडिंग पेज, फिर उसके बाद पेज टाइटल, फिर उसके बाद सेशन चैनल्स, मतलब कौन कौन से ऐसे चैनल से लोग आए हैं। बाकी चीज़ें तो आपको प्राइमरी सेशंस, ठीक है, बाकी चीज़ें आपको समझ आ गई कि क्या प्राइमरी चैनल्स, सेशन, प्राइमरी चैनल, डिफ़ॉल्ट चैनल ग्रुप, दिस वन। सो अगर आप ये चीज़ें करें तो आपके पास कुछ ऐसी चीज़ें आ गई। फिर मैट्रिक्स के बारे में बात करते हैं। अगर आपको जी एनालिटिक्स का कुछ कुछ पता होता है ना, तो ये जो डायमेंशंस है, these are basically words. Consider these like wording. Consider these something like you are asking someone naming, and the metrics are actually numbers. So obviously device categories is word, but the metrics that will show are numbers. So if you click on the device category, they will show you how many numbers of mobile, desktop, tablet will be there. I hope this is clear. If not, learn about it. Okay, so metrics that will be total users, uh, new users, returning user. We have already done that, but this is something for free form. Okay, returning user, ARPU, average revenue per user, average revenue per purchase. Once that is done, we have to have user key event. User key event is user conversion rate, and session key event is session conversion rate, which is both are equal. So all of these has to be implemented. Okay, so let's start with the funnel exploration first. Let's check what is our actual conversion rate. Some will say this is the conversion rate, some will say this is the conversion rate, but what is actually the conversion rate? So let's remove this thing. Once you have funnel analysis, you will be able to see steps. What is the first step? Is the session start. Session start on the website, either on the home page, either on the product page, either on there, blah 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 blah. Okay, so you will tap. Let's click in the event which has a session start, and then the next step they took is a purchase. Okay, it's that simple. It's easy. So purchase. This is a purchase. So this is how session starts, and the purchase. So we have 2.49 conversion. And let me check. Last 28 days we had. I mean they had 2.49 conversion, which is good, not bad to be honest. Okay, let's duplicate this one again. Now we have to check. Okay, let's just name this thing is CVR, which represent conversion rate. I hope this is clear. Oh, that didn't happen, but it's okay. Okay, now let's check CRO funnel. CRO funnel basically means some session started, and then but let me just show you. Some session started, they view item, they view product pages, they view something like that. So view item, then they let me check the view item. So you will have view item, then they had add to cart the product, add to cart. Okay, so add to cart. Now click on search for the events, add to cart, and so and begin checkout, and that begin checkout. These are basically funnel for what can I say? Funnel for e-commerce website. Okay, why I just can't even imagine why I'm talking like that person. Okay, so then we have purchase. Okay, so if that happens, purchase. Okay, purchase. This is exactly the steps. We had 371 purchase. Let's suppose somebody landed on the product page, somebody landed on the. You can always play around with it in order to what you find. But once you have these kind of things set up, you just have to change the date and everything will be ready for you. That's the beauty of it. Okay, let's check duplicate it again. So you will be able to know like where is the dropout. So check here. Somebody views the item. That's like 35% abandon rate. So you will have to check. Why is that? Why? Why the fuck? Okay, so these are the questions you should be asking. Oh my god, I'm duplicated 2 times. So now we will do. Let's suppose if somebody visited the home page and then the home page. Let's suppose somebody visited the home page and then visited the collection page. They visited the product page and then it took out the product, then begin the checkout and then purchase. So to think of everything first in the head. You see? Are you fucking you? Yeah. So homepage. Let's suppose somebody visited the homepage. The event will be landing page. So this is a parameter you should be doing, and this should be exactly equals to homepage. So the homepage is basically this slash. Okay, so this is the slash. This is where magic happen. So let's suppose they visited the homepage, then visit the collection page. And once they visit the collection page, you will always check on the contents, and then you will you remember we said exactly matches because we want to know exactly people that landed on the homepage. You can play around with it. Let's suppose in this stores, majority of the traffic happens on the collection page because collection page is getting most of the traffic. Their top collection is bestsellers, so I can easily go type in exactly matches that collection, okay, and then check out the funnel like what has been happening. But I just for the sake of telling you, for the sake of so you can understand it better, that's why I'm helping you. I hope my voice is clear. If it's not, I wasted all my time. So exactly matches collections, okay. In Shopify it's not collections. I think this one is the right one, collections. Yeah. So if a product if they visited any collections which has product collections which has a URL of collection, then it's all good. We are good to go. Okay. Then they visited the product page. So exactly the same thing, landing page. Once that is done, contains slash products. The URL contains products, and then I think we will be good to go with that one. I just want to confirm it first so I don't mess up the things. Okay, the product page, then add to cart or view item. No, but I think view item is already viewed, to be honest. Okay, so let's just add to cart it. Okay, add to cart. So add add to add to cart. This is the one. We don't have to add any parameters to it. We are not child anymore. Then the begin checkout. Okay, only 2% came to this position. Begin checkout. Okay, so begin checkout and then purchase. Now remember, this website doesn't have any like that kind of stuffs available to it, but you can have a better ideas of what I'm talking about. You can play around with it. It's just for the sake of for your learning. So we will name it full funnel. Full funnel. Okay, so you will know like there's a lot of less people, so maybe 0 people that came to begin checkout and then leave for the way, so no checkout in the last. Now if you want to change this thing to let's suppose if you click on, why I can't edit this thing, oh sorry, I have to click here. Apologies. Now if you click on exactly matches collections, and then they will have bestsellers that will drop down there. So wait for it. This is your top seller collection, so check out now. Okay, we have less people, but collections bestsellers. Okay, so if they have collection bestsellers product page. Okay, so this is where I messed up. So if this is exactly collection, so they don't have to click here again. Okay, so exactly add to cart, begin checkout and purchase. Now click on save. Okay, so here is the problem we have. We don't have the home page. This isn't the home page. This is bestseller. Now you will know the bestsellers and visited the product page, add to cart, and everything like that. So visited 661 people that came to the. So majority of the things happens on the collection page, and then low add to cart, low begin checkout. So we are messing up a lot of stuffs here. So that should be. Let's suppose I add another step in which wait, I don't want to do this thing, so add another step above and then view item. So view item. Okay, so now I will know like what is happening here. View item 3 and then begin checkout. Add to cart. Okay, add to cart. I think I have to move this thing. Copy steps. Okay, so I think view item, why view item are 2 times? So okay, view items, and then we can have another step above, which will be add to cart. Add to cart, and then let's type it add to cart. Okay, so let's click on the apply. Okay, so add to cart, view item 57, and then 4 add to cart, and then 0 purchases. So you can have like something is happening here, which you should be checking right now. Okay, the next step is to check on. The next step is to use something called freeform. Okay, so the freeform will be covering total users, total new users, ARPU, and everything, session conversion rate. So this is how the desktop everything will be aligned. Mobile has 30,000 views. Something happened here. Returning is this much. New users this much. Average order value, average revenue per user 73. Something mobile has a good conversion rate, which is good. So if you combine these, I think 2.49 will obviously be happening. Yeah. Okay. The next step is to remove this thing and check out which page has been driving the traffic the most. I think mobile. Let me just mobile device, not just device. Device analysis. Device analysis. This will be page analysis. Like which page is driving more traffic? Page analysis. Okay. So we have page analysis. This one is getting, so this is the home page. I guess this is the home page. So in order to know uh, MK Cosmetic Pakistan, this is the bestseller collection page, like I talked about here. 12,000 sessions here. Okay, so average revenue per user 0.0. Probably something wrong there. Okay. Once we have page analysis, I would love to have. Let's remove this thing, and this will actually tell you like this is the home page. Users are this month, skincare bestsellers is this much, session conversion it happens best, मतलब this means कि आपका conversion rate 3.94 हो रहा है skincare bundles में, so skincare bundles is converting more better. You should be focusing on bestsellers, you should be focusing on homepage more in order to get the best ideas. So once that is done, I think page analysis, this will be done. This is landing page. Now check out which of the uh, channel like Snapchat ads, if you're running organic, is getting a lot of traffic. This is really good, and the organic conversion rate is really good. So you should be always asking yourself this question: so are we doing good ads or anything like that? So organic, we think really good. Okay, so now the next thing, I think the final will be to check on. The check on will be to, I think, let's do resolution. Like I talked to you about resolution, screen resolution. So once that is done, you can obviously drop this thing here, and you will see this is the mobile. Obviously mobile is getting a lot of mobile, and I think this is iPhone resolution. But for this video, I think you learned something new, and I hope you implement this thing again. Thank you so much.